Everything tastes better when it's fresh, and fresh means AeroGarden. It's the easy way to make every meal healthy and more delicious. To grow a better life, one fresh taste at a time. All day, every day. No sun required, just that perfect homegrown touch every time. Now, fresh doesn't have an off-season, and locally grown doesn't mean the shelves of a local supermarket. Who needs farm to table when you have plant to plate? With AeroGarden, it's simple to grow delicious herbs and heirloom vegetables right on your kitchen counter, up to 5 times faster than with soil. In a beautiful and sleek garden that's right at home, in any home. Fast, convenient, and delicious. And no green thumb required, so you get the harvest without the hassle. Plus, there are no herbicides, no pesticides, and it's always non-GMO. AeroGarden comes with everything you need to get growing in minutes. Just drop in the pods, give them water and plant food, and watch them grow. With the easy-to-use control panel, you'll always get the right light and never worry about when to add water or how much to feed. Grow more of the freshest herbs, the tastiest vegetables, and even the most beautiful flowers. Watch them sprout in days, harvest in just weeks, and enjoy over and over for months. Fresh family favorites and all year round, whether it's home-cooked, beautiful blooms, or home-mixed cocktails. There's an AeroGarden for every home and every budget. And AeroGarden makes a great gift because AeroGarden means year-round fresh, not delivery fresh or supermarket fresh. A natural fresh you can't get anywhere else. It means growing more of what you love. AeroGarden changes more than what you eat. It means a fresh way to live. With over 35,000 5-star reviews, see what everyone's talking about. Grow more every day with AeroGarden.